I was in the mood for some stew peas, so I headed over to my local Caribbean grocery store where I knew I could find all the ingredients I needed. I picked up some traditional Caribbean seasoning and some breakfast items like roast breadfruit and bami. For the stew peas, I got smoked turkey neck and some chicken foot. Come in here, you can find goat, cow foot, oxtail, saltfish. Also, there's buckets with salt beef, salt mackerel, and some pigtail. Don't forget the saltfish. I treated myself to some tropical creamy rum and raisin ice cream. I also stocked up on plantains, thyme, scallion, green banana, and some yellow yam. I'm making some jerk chicken this weekend, so I needed that tub of jerk seasoning. You can also find your flags, t-shirts, merchandise from multiple islands in the Caribbean right here. You can also ship your barrel from here. And also right behind the counter, tonics, supplements, and other items you find in Caribbean grocery stores right there. So I only plan to grab a few items, but as you can see, I left with 2 cartloads of groceries. Now it's time to go cook. Enjoy.